Caroline, thank you so much for joining us today
It's a pleasure.
and bringing us a real conundrum on your paternal side.
Yes.
Here we have a lovely picture
Yes.
of your grandmother,
Yes.
your father's mother.
Yes.
And you have no idea or any name of her mother, is that correct?
That's right.
So this is a woman born in the late Victorian period, your
Yes.
grandmother.
Yes.
But let's just find a picture
Oh, that's her, yes.
of Caroline as a little girl.
Yes.
And your great-grandfather was called Robert Westfield Lee, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
And presumably here is her stepmother, Harriet, because you don't know who the real mother was.
Absolutely, yes.
Here we have your family tree. We're going up through your paternal line.
Yes.
So bumping up to Caroline Lee, who we've just met in that photograph.
Yes.
And we're going through to Robert Westfield Lee. But before he married Harriet, there was a mystery woman.
Yes.
And that is our quest, to
Yes.
identify this woman.
Absolutely.
Now, you told us that your grandmother, Caroline Lee, was born in 1881. We found no record of a Caroline Lee in 81, 82, 83. So we thought, in that case, we need to try and find a Caroline who may have been born under her mother's surname.
True.
And that meant looking at all the Carolines, and it's quite a popular
That's a
name.
lot.
Born in Lincolnshire.
Yes.
During this period, 81, 82.
Yes.
We honed in on one Caroline in particular. I have here a register of births in April, May and June 1882.
Right.
A Caroline Troop born in Gainsborough. Do you see?
Yes.
Why Troop, you may ask? Many Carolines born in this period in the Lincolnshire area. Well, I'm going to take you to the census of 1881, and we find living in the High Street, next door to each other, a Mary A. Troop, who's registered as a servant. Next door at 210 is a William Lees family,
Yes.
the son of whom is a Robert W. And it looks like that might have been your great-grandfather Robert. And he had great fun, it would appear, with the servant next door called Mary.
Oh.
Mary Ann.
Oh dear. Wicked. Oh, that's wonderful.
So we have this Mary Ann Troop. Now, interestingly, let's look at the birth certificate of your grandmother. Here she is, born in April 1882.
Yes.
And as you can see, her mother, Mary Ann Troop. And below that, the job is domestic servant.
So she probably worked for the family.
Or the family next door.
Yes.
But you can't work if you've got a baby.
No, you can't.
It was absolutely shocking.
That would explain why he then took responsibility for the child.
Well, indeed, it does appear that Mary Ann Troop relinquishes
Yes.
her daughter, and it's handed over to Robert.
Because she knew she would probably get a better life.
Well, a really interesting story there.
Yes, oh no, it's really fascinating.
Glad we were of some help.
Thank you.